Today we're going to make a lovely body and face scrub. First we want to make a decision if you would like to use the sugar scrub. Who doesn't like a little bit of sugar? If you only want to use it for the face, or face and body, or only body. Which is important to know if we want to add essential oils, because the face is a bit more sensitive. So if we use it for the face, we want to add less essential oils, and if it's solely for the body, we have the availability to use more essential oils. So if we only use it for the face or partially for the face, I wouldn't go more than 2%, between 1 and 2% essential oils. And if we go for the body, you can add about 7% of essential oils. We go half oil and sugar. So here I have 100 milliliter oil and the same amount of sugar. Choosing the oil, a really beautiful all body type oil is sweet almond oil. If you want to go a bit more specific and have more sensitive or dry skin, you might want to choose sunflower oil or apricot kernel oil, argan oil or avocado oil, or a nice mix of all of those oils. If you have more oily skin, don't be afraid to use oil, but then choose more oil like grapeseed oil or castor oil or hazelnut oil, or a beautiful blend of those. So we have a nice sweet almond oil here. We have some essential oils that's for a face scrub, so it's only 1% of essential oils. I choose essential oils of grapefruit, lemon and lavender, so we have a nice uplifting citrusy but also nice soothing and bit anti-inflammatory with the lavender in here. So we mix the essential oils nicely in our carrier oil, getting all of it out, and you can stir it around or just like swirl it around a little bit. That gets nicely distributed within the oil, and then we're going to very easy pour the oil over the sugar. To make it a bit faster, you can just like stir it in at home. Just easy with a spoon, anything what you have there, really. There are no rules. This is such an easy scrub to make. It's one of my favorite to give as a present if I forgot a birthday and I quickly have to mix something together. And this is actually the most simple product I've made, and one of the most popular ones. I always get compliments for it. So that's, if you don't even have to add the essential oil. So you basically make the scrub with whatever you have at home. You can even use olive oil, beautiful for the skin. And if you don't really like the consistency, if you think like, oh, that's a bit too thin for me, feel free to add a little bit more sugar. That's fine. So it's really about the consistency you like, and the percentage of the essential oil depends on the percentage of the carrier oil.